Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Alex from Alex's Innovations. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make an arrowhead bracelet. So first you need 5 different colors of string, each one about 1.5 to 2 meters long, and then fold them in half at the midpoint. And then make an overhand knot, so the loop is about 1 centimeter long. And then separate your strings into 2 symmetric bundles. And then on the left side, take the first color that you want, so for me I'm going to do this light purple color, and then arrange the rest of the strings in the order that you want to knot in. So for me, I want these 4 colors in this order, and then with the 5th one. Then with the string all the way on the left, do 4 double forward knots. I have a video on basic knots on my channel. I recommend that you check that out before making any of the bracelets on my channel, because those 4 basic knots sort of make up all the other bracelets. So it is really important that you master those 4 knots before starting any other bracelet. Then on the right side, isolate the string that you just knotted with, the color of the string that you just knotted with on the other side, and then arrange the remaining 4 strings in the same color order but reversed. So for me, I see that the green is all the way on the left, so on this side I'm making the green all the way on the right. Then with the string all the way on the right, make 4 double backward knots. Now with the left middle string, make a double forward knot over the right middle string. Now with the leftmost string, make 2 double forward knots. And then a forward backward knot. Then with the new leftmost string, make 1 forward backward knot. And then with the string from the previous step, do 1 double backward knot and then 1 backward forward knot. Then with the left middle string, do 1 double backward knot and then a backward forward knot. Alright, and then on the other side, take the rightmost string and do 2 double backward knots and then a backward forward knot. Then with the rightmost string, do a backward forward knot. Then with the string from the previous step, do 1 double forward knot and 1 forward backward knot. Then with the other string in the middle, do 1 double forward knot and then 1 forward backward knot. Then with the 2 middle strings, take the left one and make a double forward knot over the right one. Then with this string, make 1 double forward knot, and then with this string, make 2 double backward knots. Then with this string, make 3 double forward knots. And then with this string, make 4 double backward knots. Alright, and then from here it just repeats, so you see this V up here has sort of turned into this V down here, And so with the now blue string, you'll be doing what you did up here with the green string. So now I'm going to fast forward until the bracelet is as long as I want, but you can go back to the timestamp shown here, where I'll show you again how to do each of these steps leading up to this V. Alright, I have made my bracelet as long as I want, and so now I'm going to make an overhand knot at this end and then braid the ends. Alright, and once your ends are braided, then you are done. Thank you so much for watching, and please feel free to comment down below with any comments or suggestions for future tutorials. Bye! If you like this video and want to see more, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to keep the bracelets coming. Make sure you hit the bell that says all so you're notified for each one of my new videos. Also, please consider supporting me on Patreon. By contributing just a little bit each month, you can gain exclusive benefits like early access to my videos and bracelets shipped regularly to your front door. My Patreon is Alex's Innovations. The link is in the card and also in the description down below.
Just a shout out to all of my Patrons, but especially my top tier supporters, Nancy and Simon. Thank you so much for all your support.
If you're not already, follow me on Instagram at Alex Innovations. I do polls and surveys there that I later feature in my videos, so by checking out my profile, you can help me make better videos. As always, thanks for watching. See you next time.